Hi, I'm Sarah with CustomPilatesandYoga.com, and today I'm going to be discussing Pilates breathing with you. Now, when we breathe in Pilates, it's not simply because you have to breathe to continue living. Breathing in Pilates is really a tool that you're using to strengthen your abdominals and your other core muscles. So let's talk about what we're doing so we can get the most out of our Pilates routines. When you inhale through the nose, you want to expand your rib cage three-dimensionally. So what that means is no breathing up here and in the front. There will be a little bit, but you want to send a lot of your air down to the bottom part of your rib cage. Also, you want to think about breathing into the sides of your ribs, breathing into the back of your ribs, letting those spots that are probably underworked expand and really get a good stretch. Then when you exhale, you're going to use the muscles in your ribs to kind of hug the ribs toward each other and close in, and the rib cage comes in. Let me show you one of my inhales and exhales. Inhale. See how my hands move apart, and then exhale through pursed lips. And my hands come back toward each other and kind of cinch. Now that's what the rib cage is doing. Down beneath the rib cage is all your abdominal muscles. And the one that we're really working in this is the transverse abdominis. Now this is the very deepest of your abdominal muscles, and it works sort of like a sausage casing in that it holds all of your organs inside your body. So the transverse abdominis is a muscle that goes from either side of your spine, and it comes along the top of your hips, and it comes along the bottom of your ribs, and then it just kind of meets up right in the middle on a spot called the linea alba, which is that line right down the middle of like your six-pack abs. Okay, so that's where the transverse abdominis meets to help hold all your organs inside. Now, it's a little bit of a tricky muscle to access. You activate your transverse abdominis when you cough, when you sneeze, and when you blow, like blowing out birthday candles. So that's part of why Pilates uses that forced exhalation, is because when you exhale that way, you find that very deep abdominal muscle, and it does help to kind of cinch and hold things inside your body cavity. So now it's your turn. Let's have you try it. Start off with your hands going around the bottom of your ribs in a comfortable position, whether that's seated or on your back, doesn't really matter. Inhale through the nose. Feel your rib cage expand. Exhale through pursed lips. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more information on yoga and Pilates, please visit my website, www.CustomPilatesandYoga.com. Thank you.